Welcome to the overview of QuickLizard. In this short presentation, we will cover the main functionalities of the application. First of all, we have to choose the set of products we want to consider. A set of products can be defined, for example, as the products of a specific market or the products of a specific country. The list of predefined sets of products is located in the top left drop-down list box. For example, click on Electronics to see the relevant information about this specific set of products. This is the main screen of the QuickLizard dashboard. It displays useful data covering the past 24 hours. Let's have a look at the dashboard's areas. In the total recommendations area, we have 288 recommendations for electronics products. A QuickLizard recommendation is a proposal to increase or decrease the price of a specific product. The recommended changes area displays the recommendations that are pending approval. In our case, QuickLizard recommends increasing the price of 6 products and decreasing the price of 3 products. Click on the numbers 6 or 3 to see respectively the list of products with a recommendation of price increase or price decrease. Your positioning compared to your competitors is also displayed. The Price Edits area shows the price changes that occurred. 8 manual price changes and 271 automatic price changes took place according to the rules you specified. Click on the number 8 to see the products whose prices have been changed manually, and click on the number 271 to see the products whose prices have been changed automatically according to the rules you specified. The Views area shows the number of clicks on all electronics products in the last 24 hours and its change from the previous period. In our case, we have 12,750 views during the current period, which is an increase of 19.58% from the previous period. The percentage of conversion area shows the percentage of purchase per click during the last 24 hours and its variation compared to the previous period. In our case, we have 5.14 purchases for 100 clicks during the current period, which corresponds to a decrease of 8.17% compared to the previous period. The revenue area indicates the cumulated revenue during the last 24 hours. We see that there is a revenue decrease of 1.02% compared to the previous period. The graph percentage of conversion shows the evolution of the conversion per day, per week, or per month. Mouse over a particular point of the curve to see the value of the conversion for the corresponding point of time. The graph revenue shows the evolution of the revenue per day, per week, or per month. Mouse over a particular point of the curve to see the value of the revenue for the corresponding point of time. The Competitors' Price Changes area shows the changes made by your competitors during the past 24 hours. Click on the value 66 or 59 to see respectively the products of Digitech New, whose price has been increased or decreased. This is the main screen of the QuickLizard products. Let's have a look at the different areas. In the Pricing Date drop-down list box, select the period of time you want to consider. You can add filters to reduce the set of products you want to look at. In this example, let's add the filter Category. A new list box called Category appears. Select, for example, the value Photo and Video. Click on Apply and Load to get the 9 photo and video products and their recommendations in the last 24 hours. Click on the name of a specific product from the list to get the details of this product. Here we get the details of the Panasonic Lumix camera. The first area displays the characteristics of the product, the QuickLizard recommendation, and your positioning compared to your competitors. The Marketplace row displays in orange your current price, which is 399 Swiss francs, and the current price of your competitors. QuickLizard recommends to increase your current price by 7.73% to reach the price of 429.84 Swiss francs. You can accept this recommendation, disable it, or replace it with a new price entered manually. The Attribute area displays the attributes of the product, such as its brand or its category. It is important to note that the attributes are user-defined. QuickLizard uses the attributes to define the recommendations and to provide customized reports that meet your needs. The Product Activity graph shows the evolution of 3 relevant pieces of information over a period of time. This is the number of views, the number of conversions, and the percentage of conversion. We can obtain these data by day, week, or month. The Price History graph displays the price evolution of your product and that of your competitors during a given period and the evolution of the conversion. Therefore, you can observe directly from the graph the impact of a price change by you or your competitors on the conversion. The Price Edits History area shows the details of the actions that occurred on the product during the given period. Under Product, select Price Edits History to see the actions that occurred for each product in the last 24 hours. In this first page, in the Action column, we see that 2 recommendations were accepted automatically, 3 prices were changed manually, and 5 recommendations were rejected. The information details, user, and date is useful to follow the actions. The Pending Edits screen displays the products for which a QuickLizard recommendation must be approved. Depending on your organizational rules, you may decide that only managers or finance staff can approve these recommendations. Go to the Users screen to assign the Price Manager role to these people. QuickLizard offers a set of customizable reports. Select Offline Reports to see the list of daily pricing reports. Then click on a specific item in the list to get an Excel file with the price details of your products, those of your competitors, and the associated recommendations. Select Competitor Landscape to see your position compared to one of your competitors. In this example, we selected the competitor Interdiscount and the attribute Category. The data from the first row shows that 4 of your TV and audio products are cheaper than those of Interdiscount, and 4 are more expensive. Click on the numbers in the column I'm Cheaper and in the column They are cheaper to see these products. Select Competitor Price Changes to see the list of your competitors' price changes for a given time period, and click on a specific item in the list to access the product whose price has been changed. Select Price Trends to get an overview of your price movements for a given period. You can drill down to this information. For example, in the first row, click on the number 33 to see the photo and video products whose price has been increased. Select Attribute Activity Trends to see the views, the conversions, and the revenue trends for a given time period. Depending on their performance, the attributes are considered meteors, comets, rising stars, or falling stars. The data is displayed in different tabs according to this typology. Select Product Activity Trends to see the views, the conversions, and the revenue trends of the products for a given time period. The products are displayed in tabs according to their performance. Select Campaigns to access the QuickLizard campaigns. A campaign groups the products for which you want to apply a specific pricing, such as a discount for a given period. Select Dixon to see the details of this specific campaign. The Dixon campaign contains 5 Apple products. For each product, we see the base price, the discount, the resulting campaign price, and the impact on the margin. We can apply a same global discount for all the products of the campaign. It is also possible to apply a same round price rule for these products. This is the main screen of the QuickLizard pricing groups. A pricing group is a set of products for which we define recommendations. Click on Edit on the first row to see the details of the group Nikon. Select Group Settings to specify the group name and the products it contains. Select Pricing Rules to define the pricing rules and the preconditions for their executions. For example, you can set a rule to increase the price by 5% if a specific competitor is out of stock. Select Price Limits to define the constraints to be respected once the rule is executed. For example, you can specify to recommend a new price only if it is greater than a specific percentage of the cost of the product. In the Notifications tab, you specify the email notifications you want to receive. For example, being informed when a competitor changes the price of a product in the group. The Audit Trial screen displays the actions of the last 7 days, such as creating or editing groups or campaigns and the corresponding approval status. The Users screen displays the user login activity and allows assigning roles to these users. The QuickLizard roles are Account Manager, Price Manager, Price Editor, Group Manager, or Group Editor. Price managers can create and confirm manual price changes and accept recommendations. The QuickLizard documentation contains useful technical information about the application SDK and API. Take a tour. Thank you.